TikTok has launched their own e-commerce marketplace called TikTok Shop. Not to be confused with TikTok Shopping, which was just so that you can link your Shopify products inside of TikTok, so people will see them on your page, you could tag them into videos, and people will be able to click on them, select the sizes and all of that, but the checkout will have to go through your website. TikTok Shop is actually a marketplace, just like Amazon or eBay, where you can list your products and people will buy directly inside of TikTok without leaving the app. You get your own store backend to see your orders, ship products, and respond to customers' messages. And the buyer can see and manage their orders inside of TikTok. You don't need to have your own website because everything will be inside of TikTok. You can even create a commission structure so that people can make videos about your products, and if someone buys from those videos, you give them a cut, a little commission. But this is a marketplace with a few twists because it also gives you the possibility to sell your products through livestream. And something unique that I have never seen on any marketplace is that TikTok will give you missions that when you complete them, they give you rewards. Boost your stuff by increasing your conversions, giving you more traffic, and even giving money to people to buy from your store by sending them vouchers to spend with this specific merchant and also pay for their shipping. Hey guys, it's the Ecom Guru here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to access TikTok Shop, how to list your products and navigate the platform, how to handle and ship your products. I will show you the entire process of buying your products from the customer's perspective, as well as what you see as a seller. And also important notes about selling fees, limitations, influencers, and shop testing period. So let's get started in 3, 2, 1, yeah! Alright, so the first thing that you need to do is create a TikTok Shop Seller Center account. Here's the link, but I will also leave it in the description of the video. Once you click on that link, you will be greeted with this landing page. And it basically tells you a little bit about what TikTok Shop is. You can create live shopping, short videos, product showcase, etc, etc. And the benefits that you get when having a TikTok shop, like qualified traffic, better experience, because people will actually check out inside of TikTok and it will increase the engagement and provide a better consumer experience. But also creator collaborations. Work with creators through the affiliate marketplace exclusively available on TikTok Shop. So this is a huge selling point because you always want creators to be creating content for your products, and paying them directly on the platform, that's very, very good. And the registration process is very straightforward, okay? You just need to sign up, it takes 2 minutes, all right? Fill out the application, takes 30 minutes. You do need a certificate of incorporation, US passport, or US driver's license. And right now I'm doing it for the US, but there's other countries that I will show you now that you can also have a TikTok shop. But when you sign up, it will ask you if you are an individual or if you are a company. So whatever your case is, you need to specify that when you're filling the application. Now the step 3 will be to wait for the result. And it says that it takes 1 to 2 days. In my case, it was like 2 hours. Alright, so this is pretty fast. And then finally, the last step will be to link your TikTok account so you can, display your products on your TikTok page. And there's also a few frequently asked questions here that you can, just read if you want. But let's see the limitations right now. So right now it is available on United States, in Indonesia, Malaysia, Thailand, Philippines, Vietnam, Singapore, and United Kingdom. When I applied for this, it was too early. It was 2 weeks ago and they were only accepting a few merchants just to test it out. So it asked me for an invitation link and I didn't have one. So I went to my TikTok Ads Manager account and I sent them a ticket asking if I could get an invitation link. They told me that they will send me a link whenever they are ready, but 2 hours later I had the link. I don't know if it was because I just signed up to Shop Seller Central and they just send you the invitation link after a couple hours, or if it was because I submitted a ticket. I don't know, but if it asks you for an invitation link, just send them a ticket, you don't lose anything. But I do suggest you that if you're interested in this, you jump on it quickly, because every time any platform releases a new feature, they put a lot of money in it, a lot of marketing materials and stuff, and you're gonna get more exposure, you're gonna get incentives and stuff. If you are the first ones, if you're just trying out, you're gonna have a huge advantage compared to all the other people that are not on this platform and they are just selling their products linked to Shopify. Because TikTok doesn't want anybody leaving the platform, even to buy a product from Shopify, They just want to keep people there. So they're going to incentivize you, the seller, and also the buyer, to buy and do everything within TikTok. Alright, so now let's take a look at the Shop Seller Center backend. Alright, so when you log in, you see the home page. Here you can see how many orders you have to ship. You can also see the products that you have, how many impressions they have received across all of your videos, and also people posting videos about your products. And you can also see the percentage of affiliate sales that you are getting. All right, if you go to products, let's go to manage products, and here you will have all of your products listed. We're actually going to create a product from scratch so you can see the entire process. But here, you can just edit the products. You add a name, you add a category, you add the images, okay, and a description so that the product can look like that. All right, and then of course you can also select all of the variations, all right, and the pricing. We'll do this in a little bit from scratch, but let's just go back here to see the rest of the tools. Here on the orders page, you can manage your orders. As you can see here, there's this order that was already shipped, okay, and the tracking number. Okay, and it was paid through PayPal. It doesn't matter how they pay. TikTok accepts several types of payment methods, but in this case, PayPal was used. You don't care because TikTok will actually just pay you directly. You can manage cancellations and manage returns. Now on the shipping tab, you can manage batch shipping in case that you're getting a lot of orders. You can export them, ship them with your shipping platform and then upload all of the tracking numbers at once, right? You can set up your shipping options and your shipping templates so that people know what to expect when they are receiving it. For example, here I have ship by seller options of express shipping, USPS, UPS, FedEx, all of those, and economies and also standard shipping. And you can set up different pricing rates. Okay, for expedite shipping, for regular shipping, you can set up free shipping options, etc. Now on the promotions tab, this is pretty cool because you have the promotional tools where you can give product discounts, you can make flash deals, you can make vouchers to send to people, and also shipping fee discounts. All right, so that's pretty cool. It has everything that you need for promotional efforts. And on finance, you can see, your payments, all of that. On the services tab, here's where you will connect apps to the Shop Seller Central, like shipping apps, to synchronize everything and, anything that you can connect with services. Right now, there's not that many. There's only like 7, but I'm sure there's gonna be a lot more very soon. And now here you can just see some analytics and stuff. And look at this growth center. This is actually pretty cool because they will give you missions, okay? So complete missions to earn rewards that will boost your business. This is so interesting. I've never seen another platform do something like this. And you have special programs, right? These are the incentives that I was talking about. They will, put money in this. Just look at this, my rewards, okay? So increase conversions and the cost is covered by TikTok Shop. Right? So basically TikTok is giving vouchers to people. For example, TikTok will give the buyer $10 to spend on your store. All right? And once they buy, TikTok will pay you those $10. And sometimes they even have shipping fee promotions, like they will pay for shipping. That's pretty crazy. This is just one of the rewards that I'm getting, right? And here, if you go to how to use, it will tell you how to use it. But there's other rewards like boost traffic. You can boost the popularity of your videos or live streams, and also boost the traffic of your videos and live stream, okay? And it will tell you how to use it, okay? So, TikTok is putting a lot of money behind this. Now on my account, you just, you handle your seller profile, account health, something important. Here's your shop health. So right now, this one is at low risk. If you're having a lot of complaints and stuff, this is gonna start going to severe. And if you messed up many times and you don't correct your shop, then you're gonna lose the selling privileges, like on any shop, like Amazon, eBay, any shop. And you have to maintain a shop performance target. For example, you cannot have seller fault checkout rate above 2.5%. It doesn't happen if you have like very few orders and then one of the orders, you messed up and you increase the percentage of fault cancellation rate. they will give you a chance, but you can't keep it up for too long. You have to adhere to their selling policies. Okay, you can see all of them, you can see the recent violations here, but this is all standard practices of any marketplace, just to protect the buyers, right? And also protect the sellers. Another important thing that you must be aware is of the shop probation period. Okay, so whenever you create a new store, it's gonna limit you to 200 orders per day. Okay, and if you exceed that, you will not be able to take any more orders on that day. But you can, lift the restriction, and you lift the restriction by fully completing the probation period, keep growing your order volume, and keeping your shop status healthy. And if you don't want to wait until the probation period ends, I think it's like 1 month or 2 months, then you can just click here and demonstrate, ask them, hey, lift the restrictions, I'm selling a lot and I'm a good seller. Okay, and also here on affiliate marketing, if you click on this, you will go to the affiliate marketing panel, and here you can create affiliate plans and also check the affiliate orders if they are legit or not, so you can pay them. But we're not gonna go through this on this video, okay? Because right now we're going to create our first product. Now I have a quick announcement to make, because we already have an active Discord community and we are already 755 members. And here I put announcements about new videos that I'm working on, news, resources that I find. Also we have events, video requests that you can submit. We have store reviews where you will just submit your store and me and the community will give you feedback so you can improve it. You can ask questions about selling online and we will try to help you out. And also AI web design, where you can, create some AI concept art for your website. So I invite you to join. The link is in the description. Now let's continue with the video. So let's go to products and add a new product. And this is the product that we will be adding. Okay, so let's just check it out really quickly to see everything that we need to add. So we have 2 images. We also have some icons, right? Some description, and that's pretty much it. So now let's add a product name, and SEO here is gonna be important. So don't just put the name of the product, okay? Also put some keywords, right, that you want to rank for, okay? Like sweat activated t-shirt, gym shirt, and then invisible design until you sweat. Now try not to exceed 80 characters, okay? Because that's what's visible on the app when you are browsing. You can put as many as 255 characters, but those will not be seen unless they open the product. So, just focus the first 80 characters on the most important thing. Now let's choose a category. We're gonna go for sports and outdoors, sports and outdoor clothing, and sports t-shirts. Now for the brand, you're gonna select the brand, right? In my case, it's gonna be Omega Burn, right? And the sports type, we're gonna put a running. Now here we're going to add the product images. And I have these 3 images here that I want to add. So we will just click on open, and the aspect ratio is gonna be a square, okay? A 1 by 1. So just position them as you see fit, and choose, the positioning, okay? I want this one to be first, then that one, and finally that one. You can also add a white background image so that the product displays nicely, and they can put, backgrounds behind it. See, they are cutting out the background, okay? So we'll click on done, and that's it. Now the product description. Okay, here is where you convince people and where you add additional images about your store and icons if you have them. To get a really good description, you can always go to Boldscribe, all right? And here, if you scroll down under marketplaces, you have TikTok shop listing. On the product name, I'm gonna put I hate cardio, all right? And then describe the product, a very brief description about the product. Sweat activated shirt that reveals a motivational message when you sweat. And now we're gonna select the tone. I wanna go for something kind of like funny, okay? And then you choose the imagination, okay? How creative do you want this AI to be? I'm just gonna put 0.7 is the standard. I think it works pretty well. And then just click on start. And then it will give you a pretty amazing description that you can use on your TikTok shop product page. For example, The product title will be Get Sweaty and Get Motivated with I Hate Cardio, right? And then it will give you the benefits, very important in bullet points. Reveals and motivational measures when you sweat, shows off your sense of humor and your fitness progress, lightweight and breathable fabric for a comfortable fit, and available in a variety of colors and sizes. Alright, so this one I will actually delete it, okay? Because it's not available on a variety of colors. I only have it in gray, but this only knows what we give them, and it gives you like pretty good estimations and pretty good ideas. It was being very creative, right? 0.7. Now for the product description, are you someone who hates cardio but loves to make a statement? Then I Hate Cardio is the perfect shirt for you. This sweat activated shirt reveals a motivational message when you sweat, letting everyone know that you're working hard and having fun at the same time. Its lightweight and breathable fabric is designed to keep you comfortable during your workouts. So show off your sense of humor and your fitness progress with the I Hate Cardio sweat activated shirt. Alright, so this is pretty good. I'm actually gonna just copy it, alright? I'm also gonna save it here. Now, if you don't like the tagline, the benefits, or the description, you can edit it here or just come back here and start it one more time, and it will give you something completely different that you can then, use. For example, this time it gave me a product title of Sweat It Out and Get Motivated with I Hate Cardio. Sweat activated message to help motivate you to stay active. So you can get ideas from a few roles that you do with this. Here we're going to add an image, and right here we're going to add a few icons, so more images. We're going to add these 3 images, all right? And right here on the right side you can preview how it's going to look, all right? So this is how it's looking right now. Now you have to add a size chart, and you can use one of their templates, but I like to upload my own template. Just like that. Okay, let's preview it. All right, so the size chart, and also I suggest you, if you're selling clothing, to put kind of like, does it fit true to size, or if it fits large, just specify here so you can minimize the number of returns or exchanges that you will get. And finally, you can add a video. I'm just gonna use one of my already made.
This is what happens when you sweat in an Omega Burn shirt.
That's looking good. Now let's add the variations. So here you're going to specify what variations do you have. In my case, it's only size, and you're gonna put here the options. So small, medium, and so on. And you can add specific images for each variation. This is useful if you have different colors, but for sizes, I don't have any images for that. And then here you just fill up the retail price, the quantity, and your SKU. Just like that. Now put the shipping and warranty section, just put how much each item weighs, in this case is 8 ounces, and the packaging dimensions. Now it's gonna estimate the shipping costs, and this is an estimation, and this cost is if I ship it with priority shipping, but I do offer other options that you specify on your shipping settings. Then choose a warranty period and warranty policy if you have so. Now let's click on Publish. Congratulations, your product has been published successfully. And it will be right here. Now don't be alerted by this suspended thing, okay? Anytime you upload a new product, it's gonna say suspended, but it's just because quality check pending, okay? They are reviewing it. It actually took almost an entire day, so 24 hours, for them to review this product when I uploaded it. Maybe now this one will be faster. But anyways, you can see the product right here. And something really cool, once it is live, you can click on this I button over here, and you are gonna copy this URL and paste it on a new window. And here you can see a preview of how it will look on the phone of the people, right? This is the other one. Here you can select the sizes and all of that. This is what people will see. Now, something that sucks and that it needs to be fixed as soon as possible is that you don't have the possibility to duplicate products. So if you have a bunch of products that share the same details, you still need to add them one by one from scratch. Now, I think that they will add this feature very, very soon because it's vital. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. Like and subscribe if you like this kind of content. Thank you. I'm out.